off right, boys. Yeah. Oh my God.
Hi, Mom. Sorry, not sorry.
Went on camera when I die?
Of course. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brap Genius back at it again with another video. Today, we're gonna be starting up the Boom Vader 2020 for the first time. I've come up with a name for her. We're gonna name her Blue. So before I start it, there are still some things that I want to do with the bike before I really ride it. Really just want to change out the front sprocket before I really ride it a lot. I'm gonna change out this, put on the fender eliminator kit, and then you can see I already have the carburetor, air filter, and air intake already done, and the exhaust, of course. So I was gonna do the CDI, but I read a lot of negative things about it online, so I decided, you know, it's not worth it. So yeah, at this point it's ready to start. I haven't started it up yet, so we're gonna see how she likes it. There's no petcock on this carb, so hopefully it's just ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the choke, give it a little gas, put you guys over here, and we'll see if she wants to start up. There we go. Start her right up with the choke on, guys. Lower it a little bit. Tighten that up. There we go, guys. That's the first start of the new bike. That exhaust sounds pretty good too. Pretty excited. Wow, that sounds really good. That's pretty responsive too. So I think it's idling a little high. I might lower the idle on it, but overall, guys, sounds really good. I am really excited. It's idling at about 3,000. Well, that was really cool to see, guys. I'm very excited. So yeah, that's the first start of the bike, guys. I wanted to get all the plastics on and everything before I started it up, but I was just too excited. You know, I put probably 10-15 hours into this bike so far, just ripping it apart and everything. So I had the opportunity to hear it run. I wanted to hear it run. So yeah, so this is the bike now. It runs by the grace of God. After doing the modifications, does still start up. So yeah, now all I got to do is go to the DMV, put all the stuff back on. Like I said, I do want to change out the sprocket before I really start riding it. And I do want to change the battery. I don't know how reliable that battery is really going to be. Doing a fender eliminator kit, but I could do that when I have extra time. But yeah, guys, so as soon as I hit the DMV, we're going to do a first ride of this bike. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. Hit subscribe, comment down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are up to and what you think of the bike. You have a great day as always, guys. Peace.